Hey, this is a 3-minute video to show you how you can post data from LeadsHook to LeadByte, wait for a response, ultimately who the lead was sold to, so which buyer it was sold to, and then redirect to a specific results node based on the data that comes back from LeadByte. So in this decision tree, we're just asking for first name, and then we're going to post the data to LeadByte. We're going to capture the response from LeadByte, and using a decision node, we're going to redirect to results node 1, 2, 3, or an error validation node. So the first thing to do is to make sure that you are using the correct method to post into LeadByte. So in this instance, it will be your account name, and it's version 1.3 on the Leads on the REST API. You need to declare the campaign. In this instance, this is a supplier. We're using an SSID, so a sub-supplier ID and a source. And we are using first name as the dynamic value that we're posting into LeadByte. We're then ensuring that within the headers, we've got the REST API key that's generated in your LeadByte account, so that's unique to you, included in the request. If we scroll down, we are then using the Fieldmapper to ultimately store responses from LeadByte. So for example here, the status, and we're going to map that to a field that we've created in LeadsHook, a custom field, and these are the fields that we've called it. So I can make a test request. So if we do this now, so you can see the response that comes back. So this is what's been posted, and this is what's been returned. And what we're doing is we're taking this element as a success, this element as approved, and then we're reading from the buyer array, and in this instance the buyer is buyer 1, and we're storing that data into LeadsHook custom fields. So that's the first part, which is the post. The next part is the decision node, and the decision node essentially reads against the lead. It will decide what path to go down based on values that you've created. So in this instance, if it's success and it's approved and it's buyer 1, then it's going to go to a certain path. The same here, buyer 2, and the same here, buyer 3. And then if it's no conditions, it's going to go elsewhere. And so we post the lead, we use a decision node to decide where to go, and then it's going to go to 1, 2, 3, or an error page. So I've published this, and if I go to this page now, if I type in Anthony, that will be posted. It's come back, it's gone to buyer 1. I now go to LeadByte and I search. I've got 2 results here. One was a test from earlier, that was the test lead. So that's gone to buyer 1. And so if we just refresh that, and let's just do David, we're going to assume here that it's got the advanced distribution, weighted distribution set up, which it has. So there you go, that's gone to buyer 2. So it was skipped buyer 1 and 3, it's gone to buyer 2. And on the thank page, it shows it's gone to buyer 2. So that's how you post a LeadByte, store the response in a custom field in LeadsHook, use a decision node to decide where to put the customer in this instance, what results node to go to, or redirect page. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Easy to set up. And if you need any help, speak to LeadsHook or raise a LeadByte support ticket.